Oh, it's water. It's water. Switching to water for a little while. Okay, I'm back. I went and did, last we talked, I went and did some, I cleaned out the dishwasher. I put new dishes in. I washed the dishes. I did a few chores. And all the while I was asking myself, should I do the elegant and slightly longer path or the short path? And I came up with a use case why I could reuse the elegant code. And so that's where we're going to go. It'll take a little longer, but not that much longer. And so I'm going to actually make this part of a reusable library. So to recall, I've got to produce something on the order of this, right? Something on the order of this that basically sets up a content item so I can return. I can go look at the JavaScript code. Where did I put that JavaScript code? I'm going to guess that JavaScript code is in, oh, not scripts, trunk, oh, trunk reference. I'm gonna say, if I look in the source, I'm gonna look for the returned underscore content item. Grep. These are returned content item. What? Is it in library? Grep. MySR returned content item. Yeah, right there. Okay, so that's my code I wrote a couple weeks ago. So returned. Okay, so it's expecting an array of items. It is literally taking the launch and the title. So I can make a super minimal one that gives me launch and title, and I'm a happy camper. Now I'm tempted to hack it. No, stop. Don't hack it. Okay, let's take a look here. Do I have JSON? Yes, I do have JSON array here. Oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord, it's right there. Okay, maybe I'll hack it. Well, I'm not sure I'll hack it. The code's going to be simple and elegant. I'm not going to make strings, which the super hack would be like, put curly braces out. I'm just going to use this. Okay. Put a comment so I can come back to here. Oh, yeah. I already got this. I'll use some of this. Whoops. No. Okay, so mark, yank, system, P, pull it here. Okay, so I'm going to make a JSON array. I'm only going to put one in. Make a JSON object. Oh boy, don't tell me I got spaces in here. I'll clean those up later. Okay, so just comment this stuff out and then hoist up the things I want. Okay. So I need, in this object, I need an type link item. What do we do? Object, 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 object. New content. Okay, so eventually we're going to do this. Okay, that's putting in content URL. Oops. Okay, so that's good. I'm putting a launch in. So I'm making an item and I'm putting a launch. And then I'm going to have to get the title. I think that I'm going to say, I want to say item put. Constants type. That's not. Oops, undo that, whatever that was. So I think this is the. And this is the. That. So I got the type right. And the other thing I need is the title. Where's the title at? And it's taking it from that, so I don't want that. But we're going to use that. Content item generic title. Okay, so LTI title. Content.get title is null. Unlikely, of course, but we're going to use the generic title or internationalized. An internationalized generic title, which will be sweet as heck. I love internationalization, localization, and accessibility. Cha cha cha. This is not such a bad hack. I don't feel so bad. I'm not such a bad guy after all. Okay. I got the launch, I got the title, and I got the type. I think that might be all I need. Okay, so then what happens here? So I don't need much of this. I got that in. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. Goodbye, we're complaining about that, complaining about that, complaining about that, complaining about that. Okay, so now we got to go down to what happens after that. Okay, so new content add. I'm not sure I'm going to do that. Let's take a look what happens in editor done. Oh wait, I gotta use it. I gotta use it. Yep, gotta use editor done because I gotta put Yeah, I'm gonna have to use it. Gonna have to use it. Yeah, I did this before. I can't auto-submit. If I could auto-submit in the case where there was one success, I'll fix it here in Editor Done. I need to be able to press the OK button. Yeah. Editor Done. I'll make this work, and then who knows. Actually. Okay, so this is a do. It's an action. So I don't want to do that. So actually what I just want to do is go to Editor Done and steal the code. God. Too excited, I can't type. Okay, so I'm going to put this right here. Okay. I need those two. Don't need those two. Don't need these two. I have no failures. And I'm going to put the new content in. And this is going to be new integer 1. And then go there. I don't need that debug. Well, isn't that special? Well, will that compile? Because if it doesn't compile, damn it, Janet. 2453, 2453, go. JSON object I. The. I think that was just a. Two, 4, 5, 6. Is there a better way to do that? Yeah, okay. That's fine. They're good. Okay, so let's hit the refresh on this. Okay. No, don't want it. Okay, let's just see. This is, I mean, technically I think it's supposed to work. Blink, blink. That part worked before. Now we say save. That did not work very well. How come I did like a target equals blank? Oh wait, no. Oh, not doing that. Not doing that. Forward URL. No, that's not right. What am I doing? I don't want that. I don't want that. That's what I want. I had like stuff in there from before, which was doing some bollocksy stuff. Which was doing some bollocksy stuff, messing me up. Editor done. But it's supposed to be in the iframe. Okay, well, have to work a little harder. JavaScript console network. Clear everything. Okay, so I'm going well, not clear. Cha. Now I want to clear. Now it's then we say save. Post context. Why did it escape? is there some target equals in that thing? Oh, I bet something's going on in that thing. That's something going on in that thing. That might be okay though. Let's look a little more closely at this thing. Go to panel content config. This is why these things that are pounding, banging to each other and redirecting back and forth to each other, and in lessons it does one thing. So I hope I'm not going to get myself in trouble by trying too much reuse. Okay, so now I'm going to just be real careful with this. Let's do it very slowly. Go here. Go here. That's build content config panel context. And then if I look at this, in the content panel config, and So return URL. So this is going to post to content config. Think. Okay, so let's just watch this in very slow motion. Kaboink, kaboink. Build CK editor. Post config panel context. It's literally what I want to see. It's literally what I want to see, but it somehow ends up escaping the iframe. I'm targeting the top for some reason. Son of a... Oh wait, preserve log. Disable cache. I think what happened is I got some kind of a funky redirect. So let's try it again. Clickety. Clickety. Clear. And clickety. Okay, so now stop. Okay. Okay, so I'm seeing it better now. So let's clear this. Let's go back. Click. Click. Clear. And clear this. Now I'm going to submit this save. And that submits to panel equals content config. Headers. That's a 302 found. And then it redirects to, oh, where did it redirect to? Then it went to redirect. And that was a get. That did this, no? A get. Content config. Let me get back to this. post to those guys? Post to them? Okay, so yeah, that's whatever. It's falling apart there. Man, it's like I got to the right place. I did what I wanted. Yeah, I'm so close. In an iframe. I'd like to be in an iframe. I hit this button. I've got a content config panel context. I post back to this guy. Attempted improper operation. Post that. Then do content put save. Content put internal. What is this? Percent. Oh, well, that would be it. That would be it. Okay, see, I'm reusing something that has some complex. Oh, do I have a Y? Did a YMI here come out? What is return URL? Okay, so I gotta give it. This is just going to update. Okay. Thought this would work. Oh, that's right. I think I'm too late in the process. Yeah, the thing's messing up is before all these errors. Okay, so let's refresh here. Go there. Go there. Clear this. Content config. Seek editor. Content config panel context. This is a content config panel. Now I'm going to hit save. And it all falls apart here. Yeah, so it all falls apart here. Return URL. Helper panel equals seek editor post config. Oh, redirecting parent frame back. No. Okay, okay. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, that might be, this might not be so bad. I am interested in deep content input internal. There we go, there we go. And this is, okay, so here we are. So at least I'm getting here. So, yeah, there we go, there we go. Okay, switch panel redirect. Talk about parent. Ah, okay. Okay, I can either tell it to go with a forward URL. Okay. Damn it. Something doesn't feel right on this code. Oh, I see, I see, I see, I see, I see. I see, I see, I see. Failed redirect panel. God damn it. Oh, what a tangled web we weave. It's a good thing I took a break, because this is harder than I thought, right? And it always is. It always is. It's always harder than I thought. Okay, so let's go back. If we see forwarding, we know we've won. Gadabunga. Gadabunga. Now here comes the fun. This save is where it's been breaking all along. What? There we go. Forwarding. Secure post config. What do we got going wrong here? That's bad. Oh, now I'm in my code and it's blowing up. That code was working before. Maybe I needed to put the I need to put the parameters on. I put the parameters on. Okay. Oh, where am I? There we go. What's this ret valve thing, anyways? I know what it is, I'm sure. I'm sure. At least I'm still in. I was blowing up, but I was still in the iframe, so I got that going for me. Go back, back, back. Okay, just refresh the whole thing. Okay. That's a warning. I don't know. Note to self, do that, fix that. I don't think it matters. I think I can put a curly brace around that or some magical thing, but I'll remember that. Kakapachoo. Because it's an error. This is the rendering of this page right here. Okay, clear there, clear there. Come to me. And now I can get rid of this because it's so happy. Say okay. Boom! Undefined. What the frick? Undefined. Where'd that undefined come from? That's okay, that's okay. Okay. This is just a bug. This is a one-dimensional bug. This is a bug that's got a problem. And I can put a print statement in. I can figure it out. I don't know why that is the way it is, but we'll go figure it out. We'll go figure it out. At least like I'm forwarding to the frame again. I better test lessons in case I broke lessons. Save. Now I gotta inspect this because I gotta go find that JavaScript. This JavaScript is in here. This JavaScript. What JavaScript is that? Oh, undefined. Did I forget to put the title in? Is that all I got? Yep, I forgot to put the title in. Oh yeah, that's so sweet though. Slash JSON object. I don't need this anymore. Yeah, there we go. That was a JavaScript error because it went to grab it and it got undefined. just like a JavaScript nan, because that's some bad JSON. LTI service. Oh, what is that supposed to be? I'm not sure that's really an LTI service title. I'm going to go with this. That's really what I need is content item title, if there's such a thing. Oops, what happened there? Find name, content item, Java. Okay. Whoa. Where did I put that constant? LTI2 constants type? Are you kidding me? Cancel your content. I'm playing with the so now I'm playing with services, so I'm gonna have to compile everything. I'm going to kill Sakai and compile everything. Okay, so I am going to change this to be actually, who's calling me? Who's calling me? Hi, Paul. How are you doing? Pretty good. Is it? Could I call you back a little bit? Oh, okay. Okay. Just, I'm live streaming right now. I'm live coding. Okay. Okay. Bye. Actually, type is kind of an LTI2 concept, so I'll leave that alone. But I do want to make this bar. I want to make this content item title. Oops. little cleanup while I'm at it. Okay, I like that. So if I compile all that, take type out of here, right? Clean up, clean up, clean up, clean up. Okay. Check. That would be confusing as heck if I screwed that up. Start her up. Damn it. For about an hour. It seems like after about an hour of live coding, I need to take a break. I originally thought that this was going to be the last. I was going to wrap it up. But hey, I decided to do it elegant. Then I ran into a couple of redirects where I wanted to reuse a bit of UI, which is good because I don't want to replicate that. And at the end of that UI, I had this redirect problem that was hard for me to diagnose. Redirects are hard. At least I could see it in the network after a while. And it kind of eventually got where I wanted, and that was distracting to me because it was like, redirect, oh, and then later, it was out of the iframe. But we're good, we're good. Yeah, that code right there. This code right here, this is not my favorite kind of code, but ultimately, if I compare and contrast this with some of the stuff I was working on before in Site Action, I mean, they're using numbers and stuff, and yes, I'm using hard-coded things, but at least if you're going to like search for CKEditor post config on this screen, in this file, you're going to find, oh, there's a dependency there. So I don't like hiding things too much behind clever abstractions where you put something in an array and then you start indexing the array. I think we teach programmers at times to try to create too many abstractions. This isn't pretty. I probably should comment it better, but at some point I can remember this, right? At least it's sitting there and you go, why did it do that? And it seems to be working. But don't forget to test. Don't forget to test lessons. Oh yeah, remember I said I was going to sanity check the JavaScript checkboxes? I write a separate JIRA for that. To write me a minivan. Okay, so I'm up, right? Am I up already? Looks like it. Let's see what happens when I hit refresh. It'll hit me logging in. Yeah, it is. It is. And pop me right back to announcements. Let's hide this for now. Add an announcement. Cancel. Go here. Hit zap. Hit save. Actually, this part worked before. I was forwarding. Remember that? It was some pain to get that part to work right there. Now I'm supposed to, let me do view source here, or inspect, I wish ViewSource in Chrome didn't like rerun the post. It's so insane. But now I can do inspect. They really just want you to inspect, which I think is insane. Launch title is Zap. There you go. So that was what was missing last time. So when I hit OK, the behind screen is going to grab up into this and pull that JSON out, parse it, and then poke it. Yay! It's Zap. I don't think I can click it here because if I click it here, it actually is in the text editor. So I think I have to save it. And now I can look at the announcement, and then I can click on Zap, and it works. Cha-cha-cha, cha-cha-cha, Google blah 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 blah. Okay, so I don't need that. I don't need that. Oh man, I have made a lot of content items in my testing, right? Because we were blowing up and making content items and blowing up and making content items. That's okay. It's okay. So, following my rule of just when you think you're done is when you might be starting. You just never know. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little time off, make a little bit of lunch. Going to have salad for lunch and return my call to Paul, who just called me. And then let my mind settle and then come back and hopefully just code review, remove print statements, make a branch, check it in. Hopefully that'll be 20 minutes. But I will say that. But for now, we are signing off.